There's a phone number inside Bank of America that never gets printed on a card, mailed in a statement, or mentioned by a teller, and it only activates the moment your combined balance across checking, savings, and retirement quietly crosses $100,000. Nobody tells you when you cross it. There's no letter, no email, no push notification. The system just flips a flag on your account, and from that second on you're eligible for a different version of the same bank, one with waived fees, discounted loan rates, and a private line that skips the regular hold queue entirely. Most people bank there for 20 years and never know the second version exists. This isn't a rumor, it's a real published tier called Preferred Honors, soon renamed under Bank of America's 2026 rebrand, and the threshold is a 3-month average balance of $100,000, counted across every linked account under your name. Chase runs the same play with Chase Private Client, except the line is $150,000, and crossing it hands you a dedicated banker inside your local branch instead of a call center. Wells Fargo's version kicks in even lower. None of these banks advertise the exact number on a billboard because the entire model depends on most customers never finding out where the line actually is. We post 3 of these every day, the real rules banks and employers never explain out loud, so subscribe if you want the next one before it disappears into your feed. Here's the part that stings. The balance count isn't limited to one account. Banks quietly combine your checking, your savings, your CDs, sometimes even a mortgage or a linked brokerage account under the same social security number, and run the total against the threshold automatically, every single day. Cross it on a Tuesday, and by Wednesday your account is flagged internally, even though nothing in your app tells you that happened. Comment below if your bank has ever waived a fee for you without explanation, because that's usually this exact system quietly working in the background. Here's the twist. You don't actually need 6 figures to get the treatment. Tellers are authorized to reverse overdraft fees, waive monthly maintenance charges, and even bump a savings rate on request, because losing a customer costs the bank more than one waived $35 fee ever will. Former bank employees have said publicly that close to a third of customers who simply ask for a fee reversal get one, no threshold required, no relationship banker needed. So that private number, the discounted rate, the skip-the-line service, none of it is locked behind a vault door. It's locked behind a phone call almost nobody makes. Log into your account this week, look for a rewards or relationship tab, or just call and ask directly what tier your balance qualifies for. Hit the bell so tomorrow's hidden bank rule lands in your feed before you scroll past it.